Hi, I'm Heidi with WTI. I love to travel, and sometimes I like to print off pictures and give it to people as little memories, or even have it for myself. When I found this HP Sprocket printer, it was perfect for what I needed. I love this little printer because it is so easy to use. Once you have it hooked up to your phone, all you need to do is click what picture you want to have, send it to the printer, and you can even look at in the queue where your printing is at, and it comes out beautiful. I love too the fact that I can go anywhere in the world and use this because I don't need Wi-Fi. It is Bluetooth compatible. I also love that it is easy to put the paper in. All you need to do is lift the little lid, put the paper in, make sure that if you have a new pack of paper, you put the blue page down, you close it, that blue page will come right out, and you're all good to go and ready to print. I love this little HP Sprocket printer and that I can take it anywhere that I want to go and it will print any of my pictures. But that's my point of view.